Going through the log. Fucking crunching things under our toes. Yeah, cool. Doing the clearings and crushing. Oh yeah.
Start on a new one or?
Yep.
Nice.
Got a new one. A new Ebo Bandy.
It is not surprising to find super bendy trees in this because so many of the brothers and sisters have fallen over them.
Yeah. They're all smunched.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't think that was going to be a soft on that side. We're going to walk up this edge here then.
Yeah, I'm going to close this a little bit.
Yeah.
This is where bitey things live. Like the bitey bugs.
There we go. This is pretty neat. How neat is that? Oh, and we got this annoying ass log right here. And I think the trick is to just bloop over it like this. Avoid the tire spikies on both tires, or about all four. And left turn down. Off into that way. Cut them nice like that along the edge. Tubular. Ride the fucking lightning. Hell yeah.
Okay, you dork.
I am a very dorkish dork.
Yeah, it works for me.
Mm-hmm. Alright. That's our progress. Made it a ways. Hell yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, the washed out, flexy, rocky. Where it's like driving out the middle of a ditch. We're in danger. Yeah, this is a slow technical one. Yeah, there's mechanical parts scattered. I found 3 different vehicles parts on there of different eras.
Oh.
Looking like they've been sitting for different amounts of time too.
Yep.
Is this pretty much the start of chainsaw, or does it go further down?
A little bit
Ouch.
further. This is where we went the
Always
wrong way
turn,
for a
yeah.
second.
Oh yeah.
We
Now go up right here.
No.
No, we don't go down that way. That one's completely overgrown, remember?
Oh, right.
Or fallen in, yeah.
That's the one that...
And then this is the grumpy field.
Right.
Yeah, this one's a bit crusty.
The soggy field.
It's not very smooth. He's not smooth. Pretty tubular though. That means there's standing water coming, like that comes out of the ground from something.
Yeah.
You can see it's coming out of the ground right there. How neat is that?
This is where I saw the other red flowers before. But they're closed now?
Oh, different type of day, yeah. Or time of day, I suppose.
Which probably means it's a sunflower of some kind. Look at that crazy ass rock formation right there.
It is pretty bitchin'. Just random ass fucking rocks. Like how you get here. Do you fuck with craft dinner?
Seems like a very Canadian question.
Alright. So this is chainsaw.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is
the start of chainsaw.
You want to call this one the start now?
I think so, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cool, so that's the end of chainsaw, or the start, technically.
Here, give me a second.